Hello guys, welcome back to a very interesting video. My name is Cookie and I create content all around me. So if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, you're still welcome. Yes, it's still the same day that I'm doing a haul for you guys. I know, don't ask me what's going on. It's going on. So today I'm coming to you with a fridge organization video. I'm going to show you how I clean my fridge. The before and after is crazy, guys, so you stay tuned till the end. And if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Unataka kwenda wapi? Where do you want to go? This is the latest YouTube channel. Sijui unaenda wapi? So guys, as you can see, nimetoa vitu nje ya fridge and things are just bad. As you can see right here, things are everywhere. Things are just so bad. And also here I'm going also to refill these bottle tops. As you can see, things are super bad. Like, see, let me show you. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see? Yeah, I don't know what's happened. And right here you can see water. I don't know if it's water or something is just missing. It's going bad. Yeah, at least him naona vizuri. It smells not great. Not great at all. So yeah, this is the before, guys. It looks so bad, but you know what, we are going to do our thing and clean this whole fridge area.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
So guys, I started by removing everything first in my refrigerators. Now I have removed the containers and then I'm wiping the door area. Then I noticed, you know what, some things won't come out, so I needed help to push my refrigerator in front and sideways ndio vitu ziweze kutoka.
I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Under the place where all this began. Start again. Don't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
After that, guys, I'm going to wipe every part of that refrigerator, and then those shelves and the containers are going to be washed.
Until you break down.
As you can see, my fridge really needed a clean up and pick me up, guys. It was so bad. I just needed to do this.
Until you break down. Hold on.
guys can see, today I had help and I'm so thankful for that. After that, guys, I'm going to be washing everything that I bought from the market. You know, sanitization is the key, guys. You need to sanitize and wash everything because you don't know imeshuka na nani na kwenye imetoka. Yeah. Before I forget, guys, as you can see, I'm rinsing one by one through the running water. Tafadhali usiziweke ati afu to store, no, make sure unazikamua kwa running water each by each piece, everything, make sure you do that. How are you guys enjoying this video? If you like this video, make sure you like. Now comment niachia anything that you want to say or what you want to hear. After everything is well washed, I'm going to clear off this table right here because I'm going to use it. I'm going to put everything on its right places, and then guys, I'm going to have a little break. We are going to be taking omena, avocado and leftover ugali. That is what we're going to take for lunch hour. So I left everything air drying. I left everything air drying, and now I'm going to put everything on its right places or its right containers and return the shelves and containers to the fridge because zimesha kauka. You can see, guys, I'm putting serviettes, or you can use paper towels or anything that you have, but I prefer lining that thing. What is that thing even called? Oh my god, that large container fridge. I love putting paper towels down there, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Like, I just love that place ikuwe secure, ndio maji hata ikimwagika ipate a place to be soaked to, and you can just remove that place. You don't have to remove the whole thing because already the paper towels did their thing.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
But no care on anyone on name. But no care on anyone do you name. But no care on anyone on name. But no care on anyone do you name. But no care on anyone on name. But no care on anyone do you name. But no care on anyone on name. But no carry on anyone do you name.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
But no care on anyone on name. But no carry on anyone do you name. But no care on anyone on name. But no carry on anyone do you name. But no care on anyone on.
So guys, as you can see, I'm taking everything and wrapping them in my serviette so that the moisture is equal too much for them, like we're like a fresh air. So these are everything that are in your containers, guys. Do not judge me at it because the cocoa floor, my floor is clean. I washed it before and I'm going to wash it after. So guys, this is where the challenge begins. Putting everything in and finding the rightful places, penye utaweka, trying and error, this, that. But anyway, I managed and everything turned out good.
Was it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Oh, cause I'm missing you.
So guys, after all of that hard work, guys, my floors were a bit messy because of everything, because namwagika, dust and yet really drag. Oh my goodness. So I decided to wash, even though I washed earlier, so I'm washing again. It's just nice to have a clean house again. So my baby is helping me to sweep and I'm mopping the entire place.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad.
So guys, my work is done. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you sure you guys are ready? Okay, there you go. Oh, so everything is arranged and is nafakua. Yeah, even down here, as you can see, make a cabbage, like fruits and avocado. Yeah, so moisha nafaa kuweka low. I'm not sure ama ni high. Hapa kuna waru, our gadgets, spinach, skuma, I don't know what these are called, green beans, broccoli, nyanya, carrots and hoho. We have plantains. I think that's it, guys. So this is the finished product. That's the finished product.
Cause I'm missing you.
Everything it's ready. Guys, I am completely done. I'm exhausted, nimechoka. I just want to relax. First, I'm going to take a bath, freshen up kidogo, cause definitely nime sweat, and then I'll see you in the next vlog. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, comment, now share, please share. And for me, that's out. Cookie is out. I say see you in the next video. Ciao.